Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss this problem. It is given that let x be a discrete random variable with the support s is equal to, that is given -1, 0, 1, and the probability x is equal to 0 is given 1 by 3. Now we have to see that which of the following statements are true here. Okay, let us first define the probabilities, that is probability. Okay, let probability x is equal to 1 be p. Okay, p. Now probability x is equal to -1 be q. Okay, now it is given that probability x is equal to 0 is 1 by 3. So we can write p plus q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3, correct? The total probability should be 1. Oh, now since p is, okay, yeah, so p, q, both are greater than or equal to 0, okay? Now, moving to the next thing, so the first option is given, expectation of x is less than or equal to 2 by 3. Now we compute the expectations. The first one is expectation of x, that is equal to -1 into q plus 1 into p, that is equal to p minus q. Now if we do p minus q here, since p is less than or equal to 2 by 3, from here we get p is less than or equal to 2 by 3. Now what we have is, here we have expectation of x is less than or equal to 2 by 3. Because expectation of x is given p minus q, and we have p is less than or equal to 2 by 3. And since we know that p and q both are greater than or equal to 0, we have expectation of x is less than or equal to 2 by 3. So from here we get the first option as true. That is, this is true. Now the next one, that is expectation of x square. Now expectation of x square can be written as 1 square p plus -1 square q, that is p plus q. Now this is equal to 2 by 3. Now here the second option is given, that is expectation of x square is equal to 2 by 3. So here we get the second option is also true. Now the third is expectation mod x, okay, is equal to 2 by 3. Expectation is -1 mod q. This is mod of -1 q, then 1 p. Now from here we get p plus q, that is again 2 by 3. And the option was given, this is equal to 2 by 3. So from here we get this option is also true. Now we compute the variance. It is given variance of x is greater than 2 by 3. Okay, let us find the variance of x. Now the variance of x, the formula for variance of x was given as expectation of x square minus expectation of x, this whole square. Now we have both the values, that is 2 by 3 minus p minus q whole square, correct? This is again less than or equal to 2 by 3, right? So we get that variance of x is less than or equal to 2 by 3. And the option was given that variance of x is greater than 2 by 3. So this is a false statement. Okay, clear? Thank you.